If you're a chocolate lover and want a cake that's soft, rich, and totally irresistible, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because I'll show you a secret for the dreamiest chocolate sauce ever. And hey, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell icon so you won't miss any of my sweet creations. All right, let's get started. We've got 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 200 grams of sugar. We're gonna beat them together until the mixture turns pale and creamy. It should leave a ribbon trail when you lift the whisk. Oh, and don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl while mixing. Now, add 150 grams of milk and mix for about 15 seconds. Then, pour in 80 grams of oil and mix for another 15 seconds. Time for the dry ingredients. We'll sift together 260 grams of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and add them in 2 batches. And here comes the fun part. Toss in 30 grams of chocolate truffles. Yep, I'm already in love with this cake. Mixing gently so the batter stays fluffy. Now pour the batter into a 25 centimeter, about 10-inch Charlotte pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Or until your whole kitchen smells like cake heaven. This is the moment everyone suddenly shows up in the kitchen. Okay, while the cake bakes, let's make the star of the show. our silky chocolate coffee ganache. Combine 1/3 cup sugar, half a tablespoon cornstarch, half a tablespoon cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon instant coffee. Turn on the heat, then pour in half a cup of milk, then add 100 grams of cream and keep stirring until it becomes smooth and slightly thickened. Look at that texture. Not too runny, not too thick, just perfect. When the ganache cools down a bit, pour it over your cooled cake. Look at that shine! Absolutely gorgeous! I melted a bit of white chocolate and drizzled it on top for contrast, but you can decorate however you like, with chopped nuts, grated chocolate, or even a few mini truffles on top. Now pop the cake in the fridge for about an hour to set. Then slice it up and, my favorite part, taste test time. Wow, just look at that texture. Soft, moist, and oh so chocolatey. The flavor balance between chocolate and coffee is pure perfection. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, sending you lots of love and chocolate vibes.